I've got the charger, I just need someone to fit it. Right, well, here I am. Let's have a look in here. That's going to be gas. Knew it was. No, in here. There we go. Right, so let's undo this Vorsprung. And then this, so we want to see how it fixes up. Look at that, it will sit in there beautifully. And we want to get this off, because this is the plate what it fixes to. Right, so mount this up. The little screws, perfect. But then we will need to get into it. That's why we're going to do that. Well, I can't see any screws to get it off. So I'm just going to go for it and give me the front off. Come on. There we go. Yeah, so we can get that out of the way. On there. And there we go, we can get the front off. I'm going to make my life easier by getting this out. And let's get the front off of this. Down that way. This. And this. Out of the way for now. God damn. Like that out the way. Because we want the mains to come in the back and in there. That's tight, isn't it? And where we're going to come from is this. So we can, there's no surge in here. So might have to do something about that. But let's have a look. See if we can go out the back of the board, or we're going to have to determine somewhere else. Suppose we can come out here, hopefully. So that is where we're going to come through. Not bad. Straight between that brick. And then let's make this hole bigger on this side to make it neater. Didn't work. And all I want now is that to go into that board. Come on, here we go. Voila! Let's go a bit more. So that's in there. All I've got to do now is clip it along to get it to come down to this charger. That is all I want. Get that red tape up as well. So as I'm marking out my little holes, I wish that dog had shut the hell up. It's freaking annoying. I'm gonna also mark out where this wants to go. It would be nice if it ended up in between the bricks, but it's not gonna, is it? So I just want to fix this here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then of course, get your red plugs. Where's that one? That one's hiding. That in there. That in there. Up. Get these in. Now these come with some screws. So I'm going to use these, but they fit in my drill bit beautifully. Uppers, yeah, we've got a mate. You're a bit friendly, ain't you? Yeah, kid. My dog will kick my ass stroking you. Right. Just don't poo somewhere around here, mate. Right, this way up, big bit at the top. There we go. And then that fit on there nicely. And we could probably level it up a bit more with these. Oh, sugar. Really, I would have thought these would be tamper-proof screws, but they're not. Now that is sort of, that wants to be down here, doesn't it? Let's get rid of that. And who says that spark is never clean up? I've got some wipes in the back of it, perfect to clean up after myself. And what I want to do is blow a bit of the dust off, because yeah, you're not going to try and wipe it around. So get the dust off so when it rains it doesn't make it look a mess after. Give it a bit of a wipe, even though it's got cling film on, but it's wipe where the dust got to. Bish, bash, bosh. And that cable as well. I like to wipe the cable because it's brand new cable that I paid for. So yeah, make it look new, as it should do. Sorted, done, dusted.